Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad model and iPad OS are compatible, because outdated software causes many switch control failures. Once done, restart the iPad to clear temporary glitches, then go to Settings Accessibility Switch Control and toggle it off and back on to refresh the service. Next, disconnect any external Bluetooth switches and test using the screen source so you can isolate whether the problem is the iPad or the external device. After isolating the input source, reconfigure switch control settings. Add a new switch and choose screen or external as the source so you can verify each mode. Make sure to adjust scanning style and auto scanning speed and increase hold duration slightly. These timing values often cause missed inputs when too short. Once set, create a minimal recipe that performs one clear action, like a tap or home, so you can repeatedly test what you finish by testing switch control in the actual app you use. Run 5 to 10 repeat actions to confirm stability and check responsiveness across screens. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or perform a reset all settings to remove corrupt configurations. Make sure to back up first. As a final troubleshooting tip, if external switches still fail or behavior remains erratic after resets, back up and restore the iPad or contact Apple support, because persistent faults often signal a deeper OS or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.